So now ranking member can local government and decentralization committee I want to share Premtobre Francis Asenso Boakye. Ese ni venimi ya no was a share near my Cardia district. No, here betumi aboa dansie mu ni ade no. On sabe to me aka sabe ya won ewo kronkume mu nso. Wa dansie mu nsem abanwuma ni ade bibia ebekoye.
Ranking member of local government and a decentralization committee so Ghana Premtobre Francis Asenso Boakye ene e de atodwanyen ho ase district level housing facilities ono be mo ni eku ho panse ne be ya ebetimi aboa ama hawa wodo a ewo mensi ahodo emu no so eno atumi abrase we ena wo kire dia wo bipimu wo man Ghana mu a se be ye na akyerkyerefo apomodin adwumayefo engineers ene omanfo ahodo bi ono betumi akora wo nwume mu ewo mensi ne ahodo mu no Ena Edimpa, Nina, and Amsani Meyi, Entia.
Honorable Adom, I think we have had a very interesting and insightful presentation and discussion. There's one thing that I want to stress on is having the right requisite human resource for effective decentralization. The minister mentioned that you only have 10 special planners. How do you ensure that there's orderly development in our country if you don't have the special planners at the district level? I dare say that it may be even worse for architects and engineers. The primary reason that we don't have this human resource at the district level, one of them is accommodation. They don't have a good place to stay. They finish university with their colleagues, some get good places in Accra, but when they decide to go to district, they don't have any places, so they don't go. It's not only limited with architects, not only limited to planners, it's for all professionals. And that is why the health minister was complaining that we don't have health professionals, doctors in the less endowed districts. Honorable Dafiamapo made a very important suggestion regarding district housing and the need for the health minister to liaise with the minister for housing to make sure that the planned district housing scheme, which was started when I was minister for housing, is seen as a cross-sectorial intervention so that you can get the support of all these very important ministries so that you can make a strong case to the finance.